Day trading is officially dead. While 99% of people are still trying to prompt ChatGPT for stock tips, I've moved on. I've spent the last month building an Agentic AI, a system that doesn't just give me advice, it actually does the work for me. In this video, I'm taking you under the hood of a 24/7 autonomous trader. The difference between ChatGPT and an AI agent is simple. A chatbot is a consultant, but an agent is an employee. While you're sleeping, this agent is scanning SEC filings, monitoring social sentiment, and executing entry and exit points based on logic I programmed once and haven't touched since. If you are still trading manually, you are fighting a losing battle against machines. The end of day trading. I'll introduce the 3 core agents, show real wins and losses, and explain how to become the coach, not the player. Let's get under the hood. Day trading was a dream sold to millions. The image was potent and clear. You, your laptop, the endless pulse of the market's heartbeat. Open the screen at dawn. Watch the green and red candles flicker across the charts. Buy low, sell high. Repeat this dance many times before the closing bell. Some people found fortunes. Many more found only frustration and depleted accounts. The manual craft of clicking buy and sell is fading into the past. The game is no longer just about human intuition or a quick reaction to a news headline. A new kind of tool has entered the arena. People in the tech world call it Agentic AI. This is not simply a better calculator or a more advanced chatbot. An agent is an autonomous worker. It can be given a goal, a budget, a set of rules. It can watch global markets all day and night, read filings, scan social sentiment, execute trades in the blink of an eye, and act without fatigue, fear, or greed. To truly grasp the magnitude of this change, we must first understand the fundamental difference between the AI most people know and this new breed of agent. A chatbot, like the ones many of us have interacted with, is fundamentally a reactive tool. It is an advanced conversationalist, a repository of information that waits for a prompt. It can write a poem, it can summarize a book, it can explain a concept, but it will not act on its own. It is a passive assistant, waiting for your next command to spring into a brief moment of action before returning to its idle state. An AI agent, on the other hand, is proactive. It is designed not just to answer, but to do. You give it a set of objectives and a series of rules to follow, and it takes initiative. It can be tasked to continuously monitor a specific set of market conditions, looking for a particular opportunity you have defined. When its sensors detect that the conditions are met, that the stars have aligned according to its programming, it can then proceed to execute a sequence of actions. It could be instructed to send you an alert, or it could be authorized to go a step further and place a trade directly. This ability to act autonomously is the crucial distinction that transforms it from a mere tool into a digital worker. The world of trading is a world of fleeting opportunities. A price advantage might exist for only a few seconds or minutes. A human trader might be distracted, getting a cup of coffee, or simply looking at the wrong screen when that window opens and closes. An AI agent, however, is never distracted. It waits with perfect patience for the precise moment its rules tell it to act. This is not a single monolithic AI. A sophisticated trading agent is better understood as a system of collaborating specialists, much like a hedge fund's executive team. We can simplify this structure into 3 distinct, interconnected roles working in concert. The researcher finds the what, the analyst finds the when, the risk manager determines how much, or if at all. The classic image of the day trader is one of solitude, a lone individual, armed with their wits and a fast internet connection, squaring off against the immense impersonal force of the market. This trader must wear every hat, their own researcher, their own quantitative analyst, and their own risk manager, fighting fear and greed. This is an exhausting, all-consuming job. Now, contrast this lone human with the structure of an AI agent system. The agent is not a single entity, it is a digital team. This team operates 24/7 across all global time zones without ever needing sleep or a coffee break. It feels no stress during a market downturn. It feels no euphoria after a string of wins. The lead researcher can scan 10,000 documents. The quant can backtest a decade in minutes. The risk manager enforces stop loss with cold logic. Humans get tired, chase losses, get overconfident. Rumors, hype, the fear of missing out. These biases are human, but in markets, they are liabilities exploited by more disciplined players. The AI agent system has no such baggage. It operates purely on rules. If a loss limit hits, it closes without hesitation, then waits for the next valid signal. It turns trading from a game of nerve and emotion into a game of statistics and probabilities. The first member of our digital team is the lead market researcher. It parses SEC filings, patent applications, and clinical trial results, monitors shipping manifests and satellite imagery. It patrols engineering forums, tracks GitHub repo velocity, and filters niche community sentiment to find genuine signals. If earnings sound positive but insiders are selling, it weighs action over words, seeking discrepancies between narrative and data. Its goal is to build a mosaic of facts. It is the ultimate skeptic, always asking, what is the hidden truth? When clues align, like a surge in negative reviews with a supplier shutdown, it packages findings and passes them to the quantitative analyst. Once the lead market researcher has flagged a potential opportunity, the information flows to the quantitative analyst agent. This agent cares only for numbers, patterns, and probabilities, historical price, volume, volatility, and technical indicators to craft a precise plan. If a pharma patent is denied, the quant scans history for similar events: company size, sector, typical reaction magnitude, and duration. It formulates, if price breaks below X, short, target Y, hard stop Z, removing guesswork and emotion. Clear, binary conditions. If valid, proceed. If not, discard and move on. It can test hundreds of scenarios per minute, waiting for high probability setups. It calculates exact position size based on volatility and the system's risk appetite, ensuring no single trade can ruin the portfolio. Then it submits a formal proposal to the final, most important member, the Risk and Compliance Officer. Risk and Compliance Officer, the ultimate guardian of the portfolio, the final gatekeeper between idea and execution. Its one mandate: preserve capital, ensure long-term survival. It does not care about potential profits. It is obsessed with potential losses. It reviews every proposal. Does the stop loss exceed, say, 1% of portfolio? Would exposure breach limits? It acts like an internal auditor. Beyond single trades, it watches the environment. If VIX is spiking, it may reduce sizes or halt all new trades entirely. During sudden crashes, where a human might freeze, it executes stop losses, can trigger circuit breakers, liquidate, and move to cash. This disciplined defense separates professional systems from amateur speculation and is the key to longevity. Now let's be real. It's not a magic money printer. Last Tuesday, the agent hit a stop loss because of a flash dip. But here's the secret. The agent doesn't have emotions. It didn't revenge trade. It just moved to the next setup. That's the power of Agentic AI. It removes the one thing that ruins every trader: human feeling. Let's walk through one loss and one win. To make this tangible, let us be completely honest. This is not a magic money-making machine. The system is designed to lose. The key is, it loses small and in a controlled way. Here is a real example from last Tuesday. Researcher heard acquisition chatter. Quant identified a classic breakout against resistance, with a tight stop just below. Risk officer approved. The trade was executed. Then a surprise sell rating. The price plunged through the stop. Trade closed automatically. Result: 0.8% of the portfolio. Logged and tagged. Reason: analyst downgrade. And it resumed scanning. Calm execution is its strength. Days later, researcher cross-referenced import data with a niche logistics report. An unannounced supplier shutdown. Quant found prior disruptions led to 3 to 5% declines in 48 hours. Planned a small short. Risk confirmed sizing within limits and approved. Whispers circulated, then mainstream news broke. The stock gapped down and hit the profit target. Trade closed. Modest profit. Not a home run, but a methodical gain from a small informational edge. If the AI agent is the team on the field, the human's role must evolve. Head coach, general manager, team owner. The end of manual day trading doesn't end human involvement. It elevates it. First job, design the playbook. Research, develop, refine strategies, define philosophy, set goals, write explicit rules for researcher, quant, and risk. Second role, manager. Review every trade, every win, every loss. Verify rule adherence, fix failing logic. Finally, the human sets overall risk and, in black swans, hits the kill switch. Responsibility rests with the person, not the machine. The era of the lone day trader is drawing to a close. Small edges are being harvested by fast, disciplined, tireless systems. Opportunity remains, but the role changes to thoughtful architect and disciplined manager. Here's a clear, numbered blueprint for getting started safely. 1. Learn the rules. 2. Start with a demo. 3. Review every trade. 4. Start small. 1. Stop and learn. Learn the fundamentals of what makes a trading system work. Understand risk management, position sizing, and the importance of having a statistical edge. 2. Start with paper. Use a demo or spreadsheet to paper trade. Give yourself strict rules and follow them for at least a month. Record every trade honestly. 3. Build your agent slowly. Begin with one simple rule. Test it. See if it works. Only then consider letting an agent trade with a very small amount of real money you are fully prepared to lose. 4. Review and refine. Be a scientist. Keep a detailed log. Make one small change at a time and measure the impact. This is the new frontier. Less adrenaline of the trade, more intellectual challenge of building a superior system. Calm logic and strict rules, not hype and emotion. The tools are becoming more powerful and more accessible. The advantage will go to those who learn to use them wisely. I have documented the exact blueprint that guided the agent discussed here, the specific rules for research, analysis, and risk. If you believe you are ready to move from being a player to a coach, I can share this step-by-step guide to help you begin your journey. This is just the beginning of the agentic era. If you want my specific blueprint for the logic I fed into this agent, it's in the description below. Would you like me to do a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your first agent from scratch? Let me know in the comments. Day trading as we knew it is over. Time to build the team.